In this video, I'll be talking about three types of fractions, and those are proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Now, what is a proper fraction? Well, a proper fraction is a fraction when the numerator, which is the top number of the fraction, is smaller, listen, smaller than the denominator, which is the number at the bottom of the fraction. And notice I wrote the words smaller and larger. So the smaller number goes on top of the fraction and the larger number goes at the bottom of the fraction. This is a proper fraction. Let me go ahead and show you a couple of examples of proper fractions. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 10 over 20. Notice the 1 is smaller than the 2. That is a proper fraction. 3 is smaller than the 4. That is a proper fraction. And 10 is smaller than 20. That is a proper fraction. So going back, is a proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, now improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? Well, there are two different types of improper fractions. The first one is anytime the numerator is larger than the denominator, that is an improper fraction. So I wrote the word larger on top of the fraction here, the numerator, smaller at the bottom of the fraction here. So anytime the number on top of the fraction is larger than the number at the bottom of the fraction, that is an improper fraction. The second one is anytime both the top number is the same as the bottom number of the fraction, that is an improper fraction as well. And let me show you a couple of examples here. So let's do the first type and then the second type of fractions here. So the first one will be 4 over 3. That is an improper fraction because the 4 is larger than the 3. 2 over 1. That is an improper fraction because 2 is bigger than the 1 or larger than the 1. And the other type of fractions, let's say 1 over 1, both the top and the bottom are the same. So that will be an improper fraction. 2 over 2, those two numbers are the same. So this will also be an improper fraction. Now, let's go ahead and talk about mixed numbers. So what is a mixed number? Well, a mixed number is a number that combines a whole number and a proper fraction. If you forgot what a whole number is, that's okay. That is okay. I'm going to go ahead and explain what a whole number is. So a whole number is any positive number. It cannot be a negative. A positive number, it needs to be any positive number that does not include a fraction or a decimal. So whole numbers are just basic counting numbers starting from 0. So starting at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're just basic counting numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Those are whole numbers. Now, proper fractions, or what is a proper fraction? If you forgot, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and re-explain it. A proper fraction is when you're looking at this fraction, this 1 over 2, or a half. The top number, which is the numerator, is smaller than the bottom number, which is called the denominator. So 1 is smaller than 2. This is a proper fraction. So let me go ahead and show you a couple of examples of mixed numbers. We already saw 1 and a half. 1 is a whole number, and the half, that is a proper fraction. 1 is bigger than 2. Let's look at 2 and a half. 2 is a whole number. The half, or 1 over 2, that is a proper fraction. Let's look at 3 and 2/3. 3 is a whole number, and 2/3 is a proper fraction. 2 is smaller than 3. And so these are examples of mixed numbers. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do support the channel by clicking that subscribe button, that like button. Leave me a feedback. I'll appreciate that. And thank you for watching this video.